Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we're going to have my easy and delicious spinach salad. And if you haven't had my spinach salad, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need garlic powder, onion powder, red crushed peppers, of course the spinach. You will need cashews. You will need grapes. You will need cucumbers. You will need turkey slices. You will need red onions. You will need cheese and turkey pepperoni. And when I get everything prepped and ready, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to put the salad together. So first you want to wash off your spinach leaves. Wash them off first. Put them down in there. Wash them off real good. Then you want to put your meat, your turkey slices. You know, just mix it all around just like that. Or whatever kind of meat you like, chicken or whatever you want to do in your salad. Okay? You want to put your grapes. You want to cut your grapes in half. Just like that. Put it all around like that. Put your cashews in there, you know, make your salad the way you want it. You know, this is the way I like my salad, you know, just like that. You know, you want to put your onions in there. You know, just put your onions all around, this and the other, you know, the way you like it. You know, simple and easy. That's all it is, simple and easy, the way you like it. The way you like your onions to go around just like that, you know. Then you want to put your turkey pepperoni on here. You know, just let it fall with me. Because it's a salad. You know, it's your salad. Make it the way you want to make it. It's your business, how you make it, baby. Enjoy it, okay? You want to put your cheese on there. Shredded cheese or, you know, this kind of cheese. Just break it up just like that. And your salad, you know how to go. Just like that. Easy and simple. And when I'm done, I'll be right back to show you the finished product. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious spinach salad. It looks good. It smells good. And I bet it's going to taste good. And you can even have ranch dressing or Italian dressing. Whatever you like. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I